address, right? We're going to actually penetrate that what it all comprises of, right? Now, most of you, I would say, all of you must have heard about this term domain name. Yes. Right? What is a domain name according to you? It's a unique identity. Okay. Can you tell me what is a domain name in this? Make inter. One. Net.com. किसने इस बंदे का सुना ये बता दो. अब वो खड़े हो जाओ और बता दो कैसे है डॉट. जल्दी से खड़े हो बताओ. अब बताओ जी खड़े हो जाओ कौन कौन .com बोल रहा है. Who all says कि भाई com सिर्फ डोमेन नेम है. What all things are domain name? बताओ बताओ. .com.org. This is a domain name. कौन कौन बोलता है सिर्फ com और these are domain names? Who all say yes this is a domain name? बस अपना you can raise your hand. Who all says domain name is only com or in? You can raise your hands. All those who are into this agreement, who agree with me or with this gentleman who says ki yes com or okay, he has changed his statement. The gentleman has changed his statement. He now says the domain name has been converted into makeintern.com. Am I correct? makeintern.com. Okay. अब देख लो जो इसके साथ साथ इसकी पार्टी वाले थे वो बोलो सारे makeintern.com. हाँ. नहीं सेंटर में मत लगाओ. बताओ जी जल्दी जल्दी कौन सा डोमेन नेम है? क्विक. makeintern.com पहला आ गया. makeintern नंबर दूसरा आ गया और बोलो. only com और बताओ. All those says com और ये वाले पहले बता दो कौन सा. कॉन्फिडेंटली बता दो कितने. यहाँ से कोई नहीं है. यहाँ की पार्टी है. आप हो नहीं हो.
सर .com not com.
हाँ सर .com. अरे बात तो एक ही है.
डॉट को भी इम्पोर्टेंस देनी नहीं अच्छी बात है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज प्रिसाइज. हर चीज को इम्पोर्टेंस देनी चाहिए. और बताओ यही है. व्हाई डू यू नो व्हाई दिस इज अ डोमेन नेम? चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अभी 1 घंटा ही हुआ है. धीरे धीरे ऐसा होता है ना जैसे कहते हैं ना हैबिट कैन नॉट बी चेंज इन अ डे. इट टेक्स टाइम राइट. So I would suggest you start focusing. It will be actually imbibed you the theory of generalization. आप लोग उसको मिस कर जाते हैं. What you just said is very important. इस डॉट का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. देखो डोमेन नेम आप सारे बोल देते हैं ना. You changed your statement कि सर नाम भी आएगा. देखो what happens. What is a domain name यार? What is domain? What is domain? Domain का क्या मतलब होता है? नहीं आई एम आस्किंग व्हाट इज डोमेन. एरिया राइट. सो डोमेन इज समथिंग दैट डिस्क्राइब्स अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग ऑफ द सेम टाइप. एम आई करेक्ट? राइट. डोमेन नेम इज नेवर अ नेम. मेक इंटर्न. सी डोमेन नेम्स tells you it's a category which tells that this particular company or a site is doing what kind of a thing or it is operating in which region. So com means commercial, org means organization. So an NGO takes org. Commercial people who are doing commercial work, they take com. The one who is an Indian company, he might take as .in as well, right? .edu as an education. जैसे .nic.in is reserved by government. That's NIC has reserved it. You cannot take nic.in. So domain name that tells you the domain of your organization. Correct? .com is a domain. Not com. .com is a domain. Correct? अब इस dot का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. I'll tell you. I'm telling you honestly. What I'm telling you right now. जो बंदे वेब एप्लीकेशन डेवलप करते हैं, they also don't know this thing. They also have a lack of knowledge. I'm telling you. So this is something you take it. If you will take a note of it, you would be actually nobody can actually trick you in this. Even the ones who are doing development, they don't know this technicality which I'm telling you. .com is a domain name. This dot is basically a root. Okay. I won't get into the detail. We are not here for a technical session. I'm just giving you an overview, just for your knowledge. So dot is basically a root. And what is this root? This root is physically present in US. There are 13 roots in US. There are 13 roots in US. Roots mean through which all the requests are being routed on the World Wide Web and you are getting to see what is there. ठीक है? What you see, every single request is getting you. आपने मान लीजिए Google खोला, you press enter. You open makeintern.com, you press enter. Right? Ultimately, what you see is only because of the fact, because through a channels, in very quick fraction of seconds, this request has been transferred to a root present in US, and they have actually given you that resource finally. Okay, so this is a root. This has a big significance. Com, which tells you the kind of a domain you are, right? This is the name of a website. Okay, so it's an identity. Just say, for example, you need to give a unique ID. So that is why it is said that if you have taken one name on a particular domain, nobody can take it. Because there has to be a unique identity. It cannot be possible that I have the make intern and you can also take a make intern. Not possible for you, right? Then there would be an ambiguity. Bhai, make intern jab khulega, to how the root will determine कि मेरे को इसको मेरा make intern दिखाना है आपका दिखाना है. Correct? So that is why the name, this is the name of the company or whatever it is. Correct? This www represents, it's by default, which represents that this is present on World Wide Web. That's globally. And this HTTP is basically
Hypertext Transfer Protocol.
correct. In normal terminology, it's a set of rules which guide this complete process of opening up of a website. So Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a set of rules. So this defines a standard for opening up of a resource. That's a complete process which is defined by HTTP. That is why you put this or not, it is automatically there to guide the process. Correct. This is the complete. If I have done the dissection of the complete address. Now, technically, to which I am calling an address from last 10 minutes is technically called as a URL. URL. बहुत ही बढ़िया. अब ये बता दो यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर क्या होता है फिर?
पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस को रीडायरेक्ट करता है.
चलो मैं लिख देता हूँ.
जो YouTube पे उसका URL ले लेते हैं वीडियो में.
Sir, link.
ये पूरा URL आईडी है.
So this is uniform resource locator.
Sir, it is a unique address wherein we can access the particular site.
Correct.
As the name indicates, it is a resource locator.
Right. But why uniform resource locator?
Because
It could
it
be only
is
resource
because it is
particular
unique.
resource.
It's always unique.
Only one.
I'm sorry.
Sir, it is one and everyone can access the same address.
Only one.
Sir, it's always the same.
It is one and the same for each and everyone.
Absolutely. See, this is what I am telling you from the very beginning. This is the beauty of nature. Everything is actually done with the very. There is a foundation for everything. Uniform means that is actually same everywhere. Resource is something which is a reservoir of information. Right? So this is not a URL. URL is a complete. Okay. So this is about the address in context to a website. Is basically for a company. It's a profile or it's a kind of a face. I would say a face for a company on World Wide Web. Correct. Now let's get into the bit technicalities. I'm sorry. You need to be into the technicalities. एक level तक you have to understand the technicalities. The reason is because what we're going to start next is search engine optimization. And you actually cannot do search engine optimization without understanding the, I would say, the beginner level technicalities of a website. That is very important for you. And it is interesting. There is no, it's not like कि आपको कुछ, you need to be very tech savvy for it. It's very simple. Now I would be starting up with search engine optimization, and in as in synchronously wherever the things would be required, I would be putting up these technicalities as well. So if I talk about the search engine optimization, now if you could tell me what is actually search engine optimization according to you guys? What is search engine optimization? Tell me.
Right, so particularly जो keywords होते हैं किसी भी वेबसाइट में या कोई भी कीवर्ड लिखते हैं उन्हें डायरेक्टली रीडायरेक्ट करता है उन्हें रीड करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द कितना लोगों ने उसे प्रेफर करा है
All right. What else? और बताओ.
सर कीवर्ड्स भी
अच्छा, what is a search engine? पहले ये बताओ. What is a search engine according to you? Example नहीं पूछा यार. What is search engine? Search engine क्या होता है?
Where we can search anything.
We can search anything. Sir, we can search everything.
You can search anything. What else?
Sir, a platform where we can search information on web. Storehouse of information. Web पे होता है सब. Storehouse of information.
Storehouse of information. I'm sorry? Software designed to search the web. I'm sorry? Keywords को identify करना. What else? I'm sorry? Okay, perfect. Now, before search engine, I raised a question, search engine. Now, before telling you search engine, somebody said it's a software. Okay, so I skipped it. Somebody said it's a software to search, right? So I skipped two things that also I would like to share. You have understood that what is a website, okay? So there are two more things as well, because these are very important, because otherwise there could be a possibility the people who might are looking for good jobs after going through an MBA, and you enroll yourself or you just find digital marketing as very interesting, and you get on to any, let's say, e-commerce or online based company. So this is very important to understand. There are 3-4 terms. Technically I am talking about, if we need to be precise. See, there are 4 terms. We use them interchangeably without knowing that what is the meaning. And this will actually help you if you are actually planning to start up any venture. So you would actually know that what you are looking for your business. Okay, you won't say you call somebody कि यार मेरे को website चाहिए, but intention कुछ और है, ठीक है ना? So you can tell them यार this is what I am looking for. So there are 4 things. One is a website, one is web application, one is web portal, and the 4th is we call as an e-commerce. Okay. Now, what do you feel is the difference between the first two, website and web application? अच्छा, before that, इससे भी पहले, let's talk about website. आपको पता लग गया तो website में there are 2 things. You must have heard about, there is one static website and there is a dynamic website. Am I correct? So let's first of all discuss that what is a static website and what is a dynamic website. What is a static website? ये मेक इन टाइम स्टैटिक है, डायनेमिक है? स्टैटिक है, डायनेमिक है? स्टैटिक, डायनेमिक. गूगल डायनेमिक है, स्टैटिक है? इतनी बड़ी कंपनी है तो डायनेमिक ही होगी ना, ऐसी की तैसी है, कैसे वो नहीं पता. Static, dynamic कैसे? अच्छा, who says static then how it is static? And who says dynamic, how is it dynamic? Dynamic needs payment gateway. भाई पेमेंट तो इसमें होती नहीं है, अभी हमने फिक्स करना है, करा नहीं है. स्टैटिक हो गया, ठीक है जी. अच्छा, the gentleman says कि the dynamic website is the one where there is a payment gateway. So this website has not a payment gateway, as I know, because I am controlling the development of this. So this is not a dynamic website according to you, correct? What else?
It is dynamic site because we are getting the internship blog and testimonial. So we are doing multitasking over there. That is called dynamic.
Okay, what else? Static, किसी का और reason है static क्यों है? अच्छा static, आप dynamic बोल रहे हैं?
Yes.
Dynamic कैसे है?
Sir, it is not resistant to change. We can make changes in this.
What kind of a change?
Sir, like this updates from this website that comes because of changes already.
तो वेबसाइट तो कोई भी चेंज हो सकती है. Is there anything do you feel कि it could be something जो चेंज ही ना हो सके? चेंज तो मेरे वो तो it depends upon me ना. It depends upon me. ऐसा तो कोई चीज है ही नहीं which cannot be changed. Nothing is inchangeable in this world. This is the beauty. This is the best invention of nature, I would say. कि everything is changing, right? तो वो तो फिर चैलेंज करने वाली बात होगी नेचर को. वो चैलेंज करने के लिए तो है नहीं. But this is कि ये स्टैटिक और कोई रीजन ये स्टैटिक किस लिए नहीं है?
स्पेस पे भी देखिए कितना स्पेस लिया हुआ है.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I'll tell you. See what is static. Static dynamic में क्या होता है? For static and dynamic you were saying something. अच्छा. Static dynamic what happens? Again I'm telling you this is again a term जो फिर टेक्निकल लोगों को ही नहीं पता होता जो डेवलपमेंट करते हैं. These are very basic term but होता क्या है? Once you are clear about them ना, this will actually help you in doing. जैसे I'll tell you one thing. अगर आप अपने डोमेन में if you are doing let's say you are doing any venture, if you have the glimpse knowledge of everything and focus on your domain ना, you can do it very nicely. Right? जैसे अभी कुछ टाइम पहले I was having an urge that I need to learn law. मुझे law सीखना है, ठीक है? Because it helps me a lot in my running my company. क्योंकि बड़ी जगह होता है जहाँ मुझे सीए कुछ भी बोल देता है, मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि यार ये क्या बोल रहा है, पता नहीं अब ये है भी या नहीं है. Correct? So idea is static website. If I go by a literal meaning of a static website, so static website is a website जिसमें सब कुछ static, ठीक है ना? तो अगर कोई वेबसाइट में कुछ हिल नहीं रहा तो मैं उसको static कह दूंगा, ठीक है? जो कि गलत नहीं है कहना. बट स्टैटिक वेबसाइट और डायनेमिक वेबसाइट ये जो टर्म्स है ना, these are taken in symbolic manner. In the sense, website which is not interactive is a static website. And what do I mean by interaction? Interaction means if my visitor is not able to interact with the website. So interaction could be in the form of an input, in the form of it could be the very simple form would be input and output. Correct. So if there is an input, that means it's an interactive website and it is a dynamic website. So a website through which I can only get information, I do not have any provision to give an input, is a static website. So definitely. See, this is a dynamic website. How I'll tell you, you can even in many I'll give you static also. In many website you can even show, you can tell and you can show this particular thing ki just by having a glimpse of a home page you can tell this is a static or dynamic. If in a particular website you find there is a search bar, so that means there is a provision to give an input. So as simple that it's a dynamic website. If you find there is a login provision, it's an input. If I talk about if there is a contact page and I can submit my query, it's a dynamic. If there is no provision to give an input, it's a static. I'll show you the static. If I go to, I cannot find any input provision, or if I go to any of the let's say pages, I won't get any provision over there, any provision. It's absolutely a static website. So it's just giving you the information about a company. It's not a dynamic website.